Hello guys, so welcome back to yet another video in Madlookz VFX. This video is not the video which we usually see in Madlookz VFX. I always do tutorials and podcast. So first time I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna review one website. As you can see in my screen, the name of the website is vfxportal.com, and yeah, just search that in Google and you can find the website here. I'm just going to click the website. Okay, so this is the website, and yeah, basically this is a dictionary which has all the words related to visual effects and animation. Yeah, these all are the suggested searches, and so basically we are going to play a quiz game. Just click on this quiz button here and you are in a new page where you can see animation quiz, Oscar VFX quiz, guess the year, VFX quiz, rotoscoping quiz, Unreal Engine. So I'm going to play every one of this quiz and let's see what's my result gonna come. So I'm going to click on this animation quiz and yeah, let's play the game. Okay, so animation quiz. Take our basic animation quiz. Test your knowledge of animation by taking a short animation quiz online. Yeah, so basically I'm not an animator, so but let's see what's the result. Question 1. The word animation stems from Greek, Latin. So what do you guys think? I will just go with Greek. Okay. How many principles of animation are there? Question number 2. 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm not sure. Let's give it like 12. When was the International Animation was celebrated? Pretty tough question. No idea. I'm just going to guess the answer. Let's say pretty confused. Let's go with March 14. Question 4. In-betweening is a process in animation that involves generating intermediate frames between two keyframes. True or false? In-betweening is a process in animation that involves generating intermediate frames between two frames. I guess it's true. Question number 5. In traditional animation, lead animator will draw the key drawings or keyframes in a shot. False. I don't think so. Yeah. So question number 6. Walk cycles can be broken up into. Oh god. I have learned walk cycle and all like 11 years back or 10 years back, I guess, and yeah, I don't remember anything. So but my gut feeling is the answer is 7 keyframes, and I'm going with that. So question number 7 and my last question for this animation quiz. Which movie has won the best animated feature film at the 93rd Academy Awards 2021? I guess I won't be wrong for this question, so I'm going with option D, Soul. Almost there. Make another attempt to nail the quiz. So yeah, I got 3 stars. That means I'm average. I'm good. If you want to retake the quiz, you can click on this button, or if you just want to move into the next quiz, I guess the questions will be related to the animation itself, but yeah, let's give it a try and see. No, it just takes us to the home page. I'm an average animator, I guess, because I just got 3 stars from this quiz. So moving on into the next quiz. This is Oscar VFX quiz, so click on find out more. Okay, here we have a lot of questions. Question number 1. War of the Worlds won Best VFX Oscar in 2005. I think this movie is directed by Steven Spielberg, but I have no idea which year this movie released or which year the movie received the Oscar. Let's go false. Question number 2. Best Visual Effects Oscar in 2020. 1917, Avengers Endgame, Irishman, Lion King. 2020. And the answer is Irishman, because you know, Ilum introduced a new way of de-aging human using machine learning. I guess because of that they received the Oscars as far as I remember. So question number 3. Which movie won Best VFX Oscar in 1973? I don't know, man. Just I will just go with D, none of the above. Just a random guess. So question number 4. Transformers didn't win Oscar for visual effects. True. Which movie won the Academy Award for Best Visual Effects in 2008? I guess The Third Curious Case of Benjamin Button. I guess all this movie received Oscars, but yeah, I will just go with C, Curious Case of Benjamin Button. Question number 6. Which VFX supervisor has the record for the most VFX Oscar wins? I will just go with Denis Buren, because I have heard his name. I have heard Joel Leterrier also, Stan Winston. Oh god. I will just go with Denis Buren. So from 1939 until 1962, my last question is this. VFX and sound FX artists competed in a combined best special effects category. Anyway, I don't know the answer for this, but yeah, let's go with sound effects are completed now. Okay, let's go with A. You are awesome. Really? Our next quiz. Okay, I think 1917 received the visual effects Oscar as far as I remember. Yeah, but let's type in and see. Yes, 1917. Okay, so I'm pretty good in Oscar quiz, and let's move into the next one. Guess the year. So it's gonna be interesting. When was rotoscoping patent expired? No idea. I'm just going with 1934, 1935, 1936. Let's go with 1936. It's fun, man, to just play this quiz. You know, it's fun as well as we are learning something. So question number 2, the first open source Blender release. Just guessing. Okay, 2001. First annual SIGGRAPH conference happened in, no idea, but I will just go with a random guess. It's 1973. When was Shake discontinued? I think 2008. Not confident about this answer, but I feels it's 2008. Which year Nuke was publicly released? 2000, and I think it's 2000. Okay, which year OpenEXR was released to the public? Just guessing 2003. Oh, this should be my favorite question because it's about Silhouette. So which year Silhouette FX version 1 was demonstrated? I have no idea because, you know, I have never seen Silhouette version 1. I really want to see how it used to look like, but when I was starting my career I used Silhouette. I guess the version was like 4.5 or something. Yeah, but I worked mainly in Silhouette 5 because, you know, between Silhouette 5 and Silhouette 6 I think a gap of like 3 or 4 years was there. So yeah, I worked mainly in Silhouette 5. So which year Silhouette FX version 1 was demonstrated? So I will just go with 2004, maybe 2005. Oh, I need to remember the year, I guess, because I'm very average in that. I'm not that bad because I got 3 stars. So let's move into the next quiz. Oh, let's see what all are the wrong answers. So which year Nuke was publicly released? Let's search the answer. Okay, so it's 2002 is the answer. I guess the website itself shows the exact answer, means you know, we can learn from here itself. We don't have to go and search in Google. Oh god, I have a lot of wrong answers here. When was rotoscoping patent expired? I have so much to learn. Let's take the next quiz. My feedback to this website is like the correct answer should be shown here so that we can learn from here itself, like what's the exact answer for that question. Okay, so let's move into the next quiz. Okay, so this is about VFX quiz 1. Let's see what is that. Put your VFX knowledge to the test with this quiz. Use our free VFX quiz to access candidates and employees or test students. This seems interesting. Question 1. Who introduced Alpha Channel? Douglas Trumbull, Ed Catmull? Go with Ed Catmull. Which year rotoscoping patent expired? I just remember this question in some other quiz. Let's go with 1935. Nuke was developed as an in-house compositing tool at Digital Domain. Which movie won VFX Oscar in 2019? Again, don't try to trick me because, you know, 2020, 1917, 2019, Lion King. I guess so. Who was the VFX supervisor for Avatar? Joel Letteri. Let's go with that. Which of these movies did not win an Oscar? Gladiator, Transformers, Hugo? Of course, Transformers. Which year Apple discontinued Shake? 2008. Retake the quiz. It's not 2008. Which year rotoscoping patent expired? I have to search the answer for this one. Seriously, you have to show the answer here itself so that it's gonna be easy for the people who participate in this quiz. They can learn from here as well. I don't know who is that, but let's search because alpha is such an important thing. Alway Ray Smith. Here we go, this guy. Okay, got it. Okay, so let's take a rotoscoping quiz. Rotoscopy is the method of creating a matte for an element. True. The rotoscope technique was invented by Max Fleischer. Which software is not used for rotoscoping? Maya. How many colors does alpha has? What? 1? What is the value for alpha channel? 0 to 1? I guess so. Adding keyframe to every frame leads to matte jitter. Okay, I will just go with true. Identify the frequently used curve tool used for rotoscoping. Open spline, Bezier, cusp rectangle tool. I guess Bezier. You are awesome. Take our next quiz. Yeah, I was awesome in the rotoscopy quiz. So let's move into the next quiz, that is Unreal Engine. So question number 1, which year Unreal Engine first showcased? I guess it's 1996. Guys, I'm just going, with random answers because I have poor knowledge about Unreal Engine. So let's see how much luck favors me in this quiz. So question number 2, Unreal Engine written in which language? Interesting. So let's go with C++. Temple Run was created using Unreal Engine. False, I guess, or maybe true. I'll just go with true. Unreal Engine support moddable games. What is moddable? Let's search the word moddable. Okay, it's something regarding to develop. I guess yes. What file format does Unreal Engine use for audio files? I'll just go with wave. Which light actor used to represent the light that is reflected off the atmosphere life? I think skylight. Question number 7, making copies of a brush actor will increase the memory. I have no idea, guys, so I'm just going with false here. Yeah, I know I'm average in this, but yeah, let's which one are wrong. So make copies, maybe true, and this one is false. Okay, Temple Run was not created using Unreal Engine. It's an interesting question. First showcase. Yeah, let's search for answer for this one. Okay, it's 1998. I gave 1996. Okay, so this is all about vfxportal.com. It's an interesting website. So if any of you are interested to learn more about specific topics or are interested to play quiz, please visit this website and yeah, just have fun. I will link the website address in the description of the video, or maybe I can pin the website address in the comment itself so that it's easy for you to just click on that and yeah, just have fun along with learning. I hope this video is useful and informative as well. If so, if you want to see further videos like this, please like the video and comment down your thoughts or comment down your suggestions. I really appreciate that, those of you who really takes time to comment down their feedbacks and ask questions as well. So yeah, see you next tutorial. Till then, it's Manu signing off. Bye bye.